back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I'm going to make stuffed eggs. The ingredients is black pepper, salt, and I'm using pink Himalayan, yellow mustard, mayonnaise, white vinegar, paprika. I have my mixing bowl, and then I have a shaking jar. You save a pickle jar or an olive jar to shake your eggs. I'll show you that in a minute. And then of course you have to have your Diabetic Diet Show coffee cup full of coffee. That's what makes the whole show run. So the first thing I do is to take my ingredients and start combining things. Now for the vinegar, as usual, you want to go easy on it because you can always put more in later if you need it. So I'm just going to put in a bit just to get started. And of course all the ingredients, you're going to be able to find the measurements over at the website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. Also, while I'm thinking of it, right down there in the bottom right hand corner you'll see the subscribe button and hit the bell, so when I drop more videos you'll be able to get notified. Now for mayonnaise, I put in my mayonnaise. I'm making 2 eggs today, so I'm putting in enough ingredients here for 2 eggs. And I'm going to put my mayonnaise back in the refrigerator. I try to keep important refrigerated stuff refrigerated. Mustard, go easy on the mustard just like you did the vinegar. I'll leave it out. If I want more later I can. And the pink Himalayan salt. Let's go just a little bit of salt. And black pepper. I don't think you can overdo the black pepper. Just like that. Then that goes in a bowl. And you can stir it up like this with a spoon, or you can use a fancy whisk. I was going to use this. I don't think I need it. We'll do the spoon. Okay, now I have my ingredients. And I have to taste it. See how it tastes? Tastes like ranch salad dressing. I guess it tastes good. Okay, now my eggs finished boiling and I switched it to cold water. And now I'm going to take and put my egg in. This is one time you could drop an egg and not worry about cracking it. Now according to the legend of hard-boiled egg de-shelling, I think they sit around campfires and tell stories about this. You should just be able to literally shake like that, and all the shell comes right off, just like that. And then you just take in your sink or something, and you give a rinse. Make sure you get every last little shell off there. I try to use purified water for everything because my city water is pretty icky here. Well, I have to tell you, that worked pretty good. I am amazingly surprised at how well that worked. I do the same thing with my garlic. If you've seen my shows, when I take the garlic and I shake it in this container, takes the paper off it. I can't take credit for this. I didn't think of it, but whoever did is a genius. I know they're selling some kind of thing on TV where it, you know, this is some factory-made thing, but to be honest with you, my pickle jar worked pretty good. So what you do is, to do this, is after you shake and everything, you just take your ingredients and you literally cut your egg in half. And I just do it with my hand like this. Then I scoop out the yellow part like that, and then I put them back in my bowl just like that. Then I want to take the yellow, which is pretty hard boiled, hence the name. You whip this up really good, just like this, so it's all mixed really well. Then you put some in the egg, just like that. If I make a lot of these, I use a squeeze bag, and I put this in a squeeze bag. But just to make these just for me, this will work good enough. And all kidding aside, it did taste like ranch salad dressing. You probably could do this with ranch salad dressing. Somebody could try that and drop me a line and let me know if you like it, how well it works. Now paprika. A little pinch on top. I'm not sure why, but my mom did this, so I have to do it. I'm sure it probably came from my grandma or my aunts. Well, there you go. There's my deviled eggs. I'm looking forward to eating them. I'm sure they're going to be really good. That's my quick tip for this week. Thanks for joining me. Come back, see me again soon. Goodbye for now. That's our show for today. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the bell so when we drop a new video, you'll get notified. Goodbye for now.